In this video, I'm going to give you 10 Adobe Premiere tips in 10 minutes. Maybe less.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Okay, 10 Premiere tips in 10 minutes. Let's go. 1. Keep everything in one folder. Before you even start your project, make a folder where you put everything. Video, audio, music, sound effects, motion graphics, and label everything accordingly. Then you'll never waste time looking for stuff. And importantly, make a Premiere folder inside that main folder for all your autosave, render, and cache files. Then make sure you point your project to your Premiere folder. This is how. Go to Preferences, Media Cache, and make sure the top 2 items are pointing to your Premiere folder. And here in Project Settings, Scratch Disks. Make sure all these say Same as Project. Now everything will stay in that Premiere folder and won't be in random places on your computer. So put everything in one project folder and you'll never spend time looking for things again. 2. Use keyboard shortcuts. Okay, I'm not even going to spend time on this one. I think I say it in every video. Get used to using your keyboard shortcuts from the very start and your work will go faster. To see what your current keyboard shortcuts are, go to the Premiere Pro menu and scroll down to Keyboard Shortcuts. And you can see a layout of them. And if you want to go one step further, you can set your own custom keyboard shortcuts by finding the tool in this menu here and typing your desired shortcut letter here. Save and done. 3. Create a customized workspace. This is another one that will keep you organized. So workspaces are up here, and once you have your windows organized just as you like them, you can save this layout by going to Window, Workspaces, and Save as New Workspace. Call it your name and hit OK. And now you'll see it up here. And you can click on it every time your workspace gets messy. And it'll snap back to exactly how you like it once again. Love that. 4. Turn off Autosave. Really. Autosave is a nice feature that automatically saves your project at given intervals. But the problem is that Premiere will just run that autosave at that interval regardless of what you're doing. And then you have to sit there and wait while it does its thing, saving away at leisure. Seasoned editors, though, get in the habit of saving their work themselves after they do a big edit. And you should too. The keyboard shortcut for save is Control-S on a PC, Command-S on a Mac, so use it periodically right after you make that big edit, or before you get up to get some coffee, or take a break. So turn Autosave off by going to Preferences, Autosave, and uncheck Automatically Save Projects. Don't let Premiere make you sit there while it's autosaving. Just get in the habit of Control-S'ing or Command-S'ing. 5. Turn off your audio waveform. Having your audio waveform visible when editing audio is nice, but every time Premiere generates an audio waveform, it's doing more work, and the program slows down. So if you don't need those waveforms, turn them off by going to the little wrench in the upper left of the timeline and unchecking Show Audio Waveform. So give Premiere an audio waveform break for a little better performance. 6. Use List View for bins. When you're just starting out, it's sometimes nice to have icon view in your bins so you can see what your footage looks like, but when you do, you make Premiere generate and display all these thumbnails. And again, it's extra work, so if you can get away from icon view, switch to List View, and Premiere will run smoother and will open up quicker. The List View button can be found in the lower left of the tab. 7. Search it. Did you know you can search for your effects up here to find them rather than digging through the folders? Many of you know this, but for those who don't, you can just type what it is you're looking for up here, and Premiere will do its best to find the match. Need to crop something? Make something black and white? Add a lens flare? Premiere's got you covered. So before you dig through the effects folders, try a search. You might be surprised. 8. Use quarter res view if you can. If playback in your timeline is choppy, reduce the resolution so that Premiere has less work to do. Do this by using the drop-down menu here in the lower right of the Program tab, and change it from full to half or even quarter res, because the less frames Premiere has to display, the easier it will be to play down your timeline. And if you're just making straight cuts, you really don't need that full res display. 9. Use export presets. All done editing and ready to export? Take the guesswork out of your video and audio export settings by using one of Premiere's presets. First, choose the format, QuickTime for archiving, H.264 for YouTube, and then choose a preset here in the Presets menu. These presets contain the optimal settings for what you're going to use your final export for. So in this example, I have a 4K video that I'm going to upload to YouTube, so I'll choose H.264, and in the preset menu, I'll choose YouTube 2160 4K Ultra HD. And Premiere picks the best settings for YouTube and my 4K footage. Hit export and done. 10. Back up your project elsewhere. You should always have another drive with all of your project media backed up on it. Then, when you're done editing for the day, back up your project file too. The project file looks like this and ends in PROJ. And if you followed tip number 1, it should be in the Premiere folder within your main folder. You can either put the Premiere backup file on, say, your iCloud account by going to iCloud.com, creating a new folder, and dragging and dropping the Premiere project file in there. Don't forget to change the date to today's date. Or you can also put the project file in something like Dropbox. Or you could even email it to yourself. If you have all your media backed up, all you need to do every night is back up this Premiere project file. And if you ever need to go back to an older version, you've got them all right there. Perfect. All right, I think we got to them in under 10 minutes. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Premiere tips are. Maybe it's something I don't know, you never know. And as always, if you found any of this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.